Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to show you time taken to install the official Realme UI 3.0 update in the Realme X1 Max device. So this is the Realme X1 Max which I'm trying to use right now, and let's see friends how much time it actually takes to install this complete update. So right now I have finished the complete download process. So download process is completely done, which is about 1.29 GB, but let's see how much time it actually takes to install. This is the official update, stable update, which is not the beta one, which is a stable one. So right now I did click the install, and this process is going to take some time, and let's see friends how much time it actually takes to install this complete process in the Realme X1 Max device. And that's what I'm going to check in this video, and let's find out how much time it's gonna take to install. So this update has got a 1/7 stage, as you can see friends, so it's going to take pretty long time. So I can be back once the complete installation has been finished to the final stage, then we can discuss what's happening here. So 1/7 stage, you can clearly see friends. So after exactly 8 minutes of time, the phone did completely install in the switch off mode. So right now it's trying to switch on as well. You can clearly see here after 8 minutes of time. So overall friends, this is how much time the phone actually takes to completely install this official stable update in the Realme X1 Max device. So this is small information which I love sharing with you all guys regarding this update, how much time it actually takes. So this might be helpful for a lot of other users so who are actually looking for this kind of topic, like how much time it actually takes. So this Realme logo will be staying for a long time, so make sure to be patient. Don't try to press any power button during this process. Right now let's see friends how much more time it's gonna take. I think maybe it might take close to 10 minutes of time as well anyway. So finally it got done in 9 minutes and 15 and 18 seconds of time, not bad. So this is how much time the Realme X1 Max device took to completely install the stable official update in this device. That's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off. Until then, bye.